Hello my dear subscribers, I have very important and interesting information for you. Please watch the video till the end. Regular maintenance of your car is crucial for its longevity and performance. Here's a checklist of things you should check regularly. Engine oil, check oil levels regularly and change it as per manufacturer recommendations. Tire pressure, ensure tires are properly inflated for better fuel efficiency, handling, and tire longevity. Tire tread, check tread depth and for any signs of wear. Replace tires when tread wears down. Brake fluid, check brake fluid levels and look for signs of leakage. Brake pads, inspect brake pads for wear and replace them if necessary. Coolant level, check coolant levels and inspect for leaks. Ensure the coolant mixture is appropriate for your climate. Battery, inspect battery terminals for corrosion and ensure secure connections. Lights, regularly check headlights, tail lights, brake lights, and turn signals for proper functioning. Air filter, check and replace air filters if they are dirty or clogged. Wipers, inspect windshield wipers for wear and tear, and replace them if they are not working effectively. Belts and hoses, look for signs of wear or cracking in belts and hoses and replace them if necessary. Exhaust system, check for any signs of damage or leaks in the exhaust system. Fluid levels, besides oil and coolant, also check transmission fluid, power steering fluid, and windshield washer fluid levels. Suspension, inspect suspension components for signs of wear or damage. Chassis lubrication, lubricate chassis components as per manufacturer recommendations. Steering system, check steering fluid levels and inspect for any leaks or unusual noises. Fuel system, inspect fuel lines and fuel tank for leaks or damage. Spark plugs, replace spark plugs at recommended intervals for optimal engine performance. Oxygen sensor, inspect and replace oxygen sensors as needed for fuel efficiency and emissions control. Air conditioning, test air conditioning system regularly for proper cooling and functionality. Regularly checking these components can help ensure your car runs smoothly and safely on the road. If you notice any issues during these checks, it's important to address them promptly to prevent further damage or safety hazards. Thanks for your attention and please subscribe our channel.